My BFF is coming to stay with us for a couple of days.
How many BFFs do you have?
I guess voice-activated rocket thrusters are a bad idea when you're screaming.
You guys are gonna love her. Ooh, and there she is. Barbie, it's been forever. You look gorge. Your place is a maze. No way. Are these your sisters? They're adorbs.
Hi, I'm Stacy. Barbie says you're pretty good at tennis.
Me? I'm okay. Do you play? You want to play? Let's play. You must be Chelsea. You want to skip some rope later on?
That would be awesome.
Skipper, right? How about a marathon session of Call of Fashion 3 after dinner? Cool.
There's nothing like a lazy day on the beach.
I knew it. They love her.
I thought these things never ran out.
Morning, Chelsea. You gotta grab a balanced breakfast. You gotta. Most important meal of the day.
What happened to you? Summer happened to me. I've got tennis elbow, soccer ankle, climber's knee, and football butt. Don't ask.
Maybe it's the mother in me, but I can't stand to see Amy so sad.
Come on! Who builds a dream house with 36 hot tubs but only one bathroom?
Hey, I thought you were talking about them! Oh, sure. Act like you can do this without... me.
Summer ate all our food. I can't survive another game of surprise dodgeball. And I'd like to take a shower before I graduate high school.
Man, she must really hate cupcakes.
Come on, guys. It's just for another day. Hey, guys! Hey, Summer. Everyone here feels that perhaps you've been a little competitive. Competitive? Me? That's crazy. I challenge you to a vogue-off. What? No. We were just scared. Worried I'll win. Lost your edge. You're on.
Cage match! Cage match! Cage!
Ready for an old-school pose down? Oh, you think you can handle this?
Oh, man, she's cool.
I give. You win.
Oh, man,
You got it!
Summer, what's up? I'm outie. Why? I know you don't like to lose, but come on. What? No! I just bought a house across the street. Now we can have pose-offs every day. Later, skaters!